Today, I'm going to show you a method of making over $23,000 on a daily basis using other people's method, which is absolutely legit and do well in the market. Hi, my name is Marlon McLeod, and you are on Freedom Guider, the platform that we speak about entrepreneurship, ways of making cash online, and different techniques of the market. So if this intrigues you, please smash the subscription button and hit the notification icon so that I can send you my content on a daily basis. Now let's go over to my computer where I walk you through the steps and the various materials that you will need in order to be successful. Let's go. Now that we're on my computer, I would love to request that you smash the like and you comment positively about this method of making over $23,000 on a monthly basis. And if you stick with me, I'm going to give you tips and tricks of optimizing this where you can make over $50,000 on a monthly basis. Now guys, if you're not aware that YouTube is an extremely powerful platform, it's basically a subsidiary of Google. And if you do not have a website or you have a YouTube channel, you're missing a lot from the market. Sales are just blazing on YouTube and also through Google. So in this video, I'm going to highlight to you one niche that allows you to make a lot of money. And it's a niche related to health. Now, I'm going to walk you through a few of the platforms that have created videos in this niche of health. And we're going to look at what the channel is doing. And we're going to try to mimic the channel where we produce the same videos and make over $23,000 per month or more. Now, while I was searching, I typed in health tips and I came across all these channels. Now, this channel has over 542,000 subscribers. Yes, guys. Yes, 542,000. It will take you some time, but what's important, you get online and you take a piece of the cake from early. All you have to do is have the correct mindset, and if you're having any problems, smash the like and you put the question below and I'll try to get back to you as soon as possible. Now let's scroll down to see the different platforms related to health, what they're doing and so forth. Okay, this one, health tips, 542,000, and this has over 82,000 videos. I have more videos than them and my channel has not reached this level of subscribers. Guys, a point to make, my channel is currently in at least 4 languages, so if English is not your first language, please feel free to go down and change the subtitle of the video. You'll see various languages that can help you to understand the information I'm giving to you, because it's important. No matter what language you speak, there's always a place for you on YouTube and Google if you have a website. Now let's scroll down. Now, when you see a tick beside the name of this YouTube channel, it means that the channel has been verified. And also, they're making money through the channel through ads. So here we have, okay, natural health, 700, this is more. Okay, 669 videos, 542,000 subscribers, which is great. Now let's go over to this channel, and I've clicked it here. Now this is a channel, guys. Now, if you can note, these videos are about, say, 1 minute long, 1 minute, 1 minute, and that's great. It doesn't require that you go and employ any photographer or contact anyone from any other platform. You can do this yourself if you want to keep all of the profit. So let's go. Now this is just, okay, this guy's just using a simple thumbnail which will increase the conversion of any video that he has. Basically, a thumbnail is like the cover of a book. When you go into a store and you walk through the aisles, what you do, you glance around and you look at the cover of the book. Now, if the cover of the book is intriguing or increases a demand to look, what you do, you get closer, you hold the book, and you open the book and you read the book. A thumbnail is the same. Now here they have, okay, video that's 1 minute. Now here we have a picture of a Kellogg Colgate toothpaste. this is very intriguing. If I were to come on this platform, I would love to know what they say about this toothpaste and so forth. Now let's go over to one of the videos that they're using to just see what they're doing so we can imitate them and make the same cash they're making or even more. Now when I've clicked this, I'll come over to this platform and it says how to use baking soda to whiten teeth. Yes. Okay, well that's...
Baking soda is one of the
let me
most
just,
effective options for
take off the sound now. Now, as you can see, there's just a picture here. And the guy is just...
is a
listen,
mild
guys,
abrasive that can help scrub away.
look, he's just speaking over the video, which you can do. You do not have to be a native speaker of the language. You can do this in your own mother language. Now, what he's doing, he's making a video of a container, which you can do. And I'm going to give you a few platforms in a few seconds, which allows you to make high quality videos, or you can just copy and paste these videos and put them on your YouTube channel. So I'm going to stop this a bit and I'm going to scroll down to see what he's doing in terms of his description. Now here he doesn't have much, except baking soda is known for being this. That's okay. But another way to monetize this channel is to put affiliate links. Now, an affiliate link is just a link to a product that is not yours. Whenever this product is sold through your affiliate link, you'll be getting a portion. And he could have done that here. But I'm just showing to you that he's not showing his face, guys, which you can do. And he can get pictures, which I think he did on this video. I came across another video that he did, guys, and he was speaking about eggs. Yes, eggs, yes, this is the one. Now look at this. This is also 1 minute and 30 seconds. Let's go and see what he's doing in this video. Now here, top 5 food to increase height. I hope I can find the eggs here. Okay. Yeah, this is it. So he's just basically telling you, and look, listen, guy, he's not naked.
Besides, it has a vitamin A, which preserves calcium in the body.
So guys, there's no excuse for you. Guys, are you getting value from the video so far? Please, in the bottom, please write value, and smash the like, guys, because the like goes well. Yes, this is it. Now 1 minute. Guys, you can take a picture of an egg that you're about to eat and create a video on it. Or you can go over to a high pixel platform by the name of pixel.com and you can get pictures that you can use. You screenshot the pictures with a platform I'm going to take. I'm going to show you the platform that allows you to take pictures and also to compile various screen footage, and it's called OpenShot. This is one. This website is free, so everything here is free. You can use it to produce videos. And there's another platform that allows you to take screenshots of your computer, which is called OBS. Please, guys, make a note of these platforms. Very important. You can use them, and these are for free. If you want to upgrade where you make even higher quality videos, I request that you go to a platform by the name of Camtasia. Links for this platform will be below. Yes, it's called Camtasia. This is it. And I'll put links to this platform below. Now let's go back over. Now he is speaking about eggs, which you can do. Take a picture of your egg if you're going to be eating eggs in a few minutes and so forth. Or go over to the platform of pixels.com where you can get pictures of eggs of high quality. You're going to go down and you're going to glance to see what he's doing. You're going to do this repeatedly, guys. Now let's look at how much cash this guy's making on a, say, monthly basis. Now, when you start, it might be a bit tedious because you will have a pattern that you're in and you have to put some time and energy on this. But I can sure assert that over a period of time, by the will of the creator, you'll be making good cash. I've seen it through high income salary earners on YouTube where they make cash, and you can do the same. Now, let me just see. Okay, he is getting, say, daily average views, okay. Now, let me just go over to another platform. Now, this platform, which is called Brightside, is similar to this one, but there are certain differences. Now, here, this platform shows you of health tips, things that you should keep away from, things that you should do, and this channel is making a lot, much more than this one. So I'll just take you over to this one in order to show you and inspire you more that it is possible. Guys, the first thing you have to do is to change your mindset about making cash. Be positive and know that you can do it by the will of the Creator. We have been blessed with this amazing brain. You just have to use it. You just have to use it. You just have to use and smash the like, guys. Yes. So here, this platform. This is called Brightside, and they give you just health tips, day-to-day activities that you should do in order to keep healthy, to avoid certain situations in life, whether keeping from, like say, certain situation, weight loss tips that you should be aware of on a daily basis and so forth. Now, let's look at how much this guy's making. Now, he has over 36, say 35 million subscriber. Good. When was this channel started? Oh, it was started 3 years ago. And he has over 35 million subscribers. Look at this. Over what? That's a trillion, billion, zillion views. That's great. Now, how much this guy is making on his channel from ad revenues? Let's go. Now, here, look at this, guys. When I went over to this platform by the name of Social Blade, Social Blade is a platform that gives you the analysis of YouTubers, tweets, and various other platforms. They give you the insight of how much you're making approximately. So when I came over and I typed this in, look, guys, here it says Brightside. Now this is in English. Look, Brightside in Arabic. So there are there are various versions of this platform which you can do. Guys, where are you in the world? Please put the place that you're watching this video from below in the feedback. So yes, here we have different languages. So here's English, Arabic, Bengali, I would think this is Bengali or Hindi, I'm not sure. But guys, there's always, at the top of the YouTube scale, there's always space for a lot of successful people. So don't worry, don't be dismantled or disheartened. Success is possible, guys. Now let's see how much this guy is making through his channel. Until that loads. Now here, let's go. Okay, he's making over $23,000, over and about $370,000 per month. It's possible he's making higher now because this channel has been around for a while, and I think they have affiliate links below which will allow them to make even more money. Let me just go to this one, guys, and show you something. So they're making over, say, $300,000 per month. Let me just pause this. Over $300,000 per month. Now, guys, oh, that's a nice kick, man. Okay, now, if you had $300,000 coming into your bank account, what would you do with that cash? Would you travel the world? What would you do? Put your feedbacks in the bottom. I would love to know what my audience are thinking and what they love to do with their money. So, guys, $300,000 coming into your bank account. Just pause this. So let's go down. Now, is there any affiliate link here? Okay, there are many links here, guys. Look, links. It's highly possible that he is promoting something behind all these affiliate links because this guy is very smart. He has started a YouTube channel over 3 years ago. It has been verified, as you can see here. There are links here. He's making a lot. And now let's go. And we just highlighted here, he's making over, say, about $300,000 per month with affiliate links, as you can see below. He's making much more. Now, in order to do that, to compile a channel like this, as I've said before, go over to a platform by the name of OBS. This is free, but if you want to upgrade to a better quality video, go to Camtasia.com. I'll put the link to this platform below. That's paid. Another platform that you can use to create amazing video is called OpenShot. This is free. Another platform that you can use where you get videos which are royalty free is called Pixels.com. Free. So there's no excuse for not creating a YouTube channel today. So look at these pictures. Look at them. High quality eggs. Whoa, this looks good. This looks great, man. Oh, I love food, you know, man. Woo. Ooh. Oh, salad, food. Okay, off topic. Yes, so guys, so get on this, come over to this amazing platform, look at it. And also, in terms of creating thumbnail, you can go over to a platform by the name of PixMaker. This is great, where you can get amazing thumbnails that you can use for your videos. Thumbnails are very important. Now I'll just show you some of the thumbnails. Can I see the thumbnails that I have here? Guys, I've created thumbnails before, and I'll just like to just, give you an insider view of some of the thumbnails that I have created in the past, so you can get an understanding of what thumbnails should look like. Let me just go back. Can I find it? Let me just go back here. Let me just go back. Give me a few seconds. Okay, but basically, guys, thumbnails, if you go to my channel here, these are considered thumbnails. All these are thumbnails. All these are the pictures on my video. So when you come over and you look at my video, you'll see these pictures first. This will push you to click on my video or my picture to see what's behind. Look at this. These are all thumbnails. Your thumbnails have to be catchy, and that's what this platform gives to you. Maker, and of a platform by the name of Canva. This is also free, but there's a paid version that you don't have to take, but you can use it. Use a free version as a starter if you're just lacking cash and so forth. So you do this on a daily basis, and guys, focus on niches that are highly in demand. For example, health, making money, electronics, traveling, but traveling might be too expensive because you need to move around to take pictures here. But focus on something like health and stuff, health and making money online, where you don't have to go and travel. You can just do video clips off your computer. You can even talk over your phone. So you have your phone, you talk over it, voice over as they say, and then you upload the video, and bam, bam, you smash the like button, you comment positively, and then you'll have a video on YouTube. Over a period of time, guarantee you, God's willing, you'll be making cash from ad revenues or from products being sold in your description. Extremely important. Description. So guys, I hope you've gotten a lot of value from this brief tutorial. If you want to know one of my top ways of making cash online, go to the first link in the description. Do not forget to subscribe. Hit the notification icon so I can send you all my contents on a daily basis. Guys, if you have any questions for me, I'm here for you. This platform is considered to be an interactive platform that both of us learn from each other. Any questions, just pop them down. In a few seconds, do not go anywhere. There'll be videos that will be popping here on the left, right, and down. Please take a look at these videos because they will also change your mindset of making cash and entrepreneurship. Thank you for watching again, and see you in a few hours with my new video. Marlon McLeod with you on Freedom Guider. Take care, keep safe, and be rich. Bye.